Good day everyone, we are the proponents of the study entitled Development of Tourable, a web-based 360-degree virtual tour platform for promoting accessible tourism in Santa Cruz Occidental, Mindoro. I am Kirt Balasabas, the project leader and back-end developer of the system. Our front-end developer is Miss Pete Juliana Lema. For multimedia and documentation, the whole team collaborated together with the Tourism Office, our client. And our researcher is Miss Andrea Sarsaba. Today we will discuss the technologies, integrations, and development considerations used in the Tourable system. This study aims to address the challenges encountered in promoting tourist destinations in Santa Cruz Occidental Mindoro through traditional digital platforms. Many tourism platforms only provide static images and limited information, which may not fully help users understand or assess destinations before physically visiting them. In addition, some existing platforms lack accessibility and usability features for diverse users, including intuitive navigation, audio guidance, and descriptive information. To address these gaps, the study proposes Tourable, a web-based 360-degree virtual tour platform designed to provide immersive, interactive, accessible, and user-friendly virtual tourism experiences. The system also includes an admin management module for handling destination content in the community suggestion panel that allows users to recommend potential tourist spots for future inclusions.
The general objectives of this study is to design and develop a web-based 360-degree virtual tour platform that promotes accessible tourism for diverse users. Specifically, the study aims to develop a web-based platform that provides interactive 360-degree virtual tours of selected tourist destinations in Santa Cruz. The system integrates accessibility features such as audio guidance, text descriptions, and simplified navigation for diverse users. It also provides relevant location-based information and labels to help users better understand each tourist destination. Additionally, that platform enables users to virtually explore and assess tourist destinations before physically visiting them. The study also aims to develop an admin module for managing virtual tour content, accessibility data, and destination information. Then another objective is to implement a community suggestion panel where users can submit potential tourist spots subject to admin approval. And lastly, the study evaluates the system performance and usability using ISO 25010 software quality standards and the system usability scale or SUS.
So, good day po. This is our prototype walkthrough for Tourable. So, this is our 360 virtual tour platform po, wherein we will demonstrate po on how the user can navigate or interact with our system. So, here we have the landing page or the homepage itself po, wherein makikita po natin yung, yung banner as well as the features that we have here in our system po. And also, we have here the feature destination po, wherein we can preview or we can see the different or the feature destinations that we have po sa homepage natin, wherein users in the first place pa lang po makikita nila kung ano yung ino-offer ng system na virtual tour platform or virtual tours na available sa destinations natin. And also we have here the panel for the suggestion panel po for the community. If meron silang na discover or meron silang alam na hidden gem po ng atin pong municipality, they can suggest it here. And also we have here the users feedback po, ano po, wherein they can comment and rate their experience po with the system to improve pa kung ano po yung kayang gawin ng system. They can submit it here. So, we have here the Aribugan River po, ano po. So, let's try po na explore to. So, pag click po natin yung explore, it will direct us to the page po wherein we can see the preview po ng location po as well as the visiting tips. The location po, kung saan po yung location po or address po ng ating pong tourist destination, as well as the accessibility, whether it is a wheelchair accessible, senior friendly area with comfort room and parking area, and the description about the destination po. So kung ready na po tayo, let's take a virtual tour po by clicking the button here. So pag click po natin yung take virtual tour, may magpa-pop up po muna or may pa-flash po sa screen natin about tutorial po, no, kung how we can navigate with the virtual tour itself po. So ito po ay 360, but with our system po, hindi po kami nakagamit po dito sa part ng prototype namin 360 images since ito po ay prototyping pa lang. Wala pa po kaming rendering tools na magagamit dito, as well as we don't have yet a 360 panoramic images po ng destinations po na sinample namin within the system. So for touch devices, we can zoom in, zoom out, and swipe left and right. And for the desktop, we can use the mouse by clicking the left click of the mouse on the image po and drag to look around, and use the middle mouse po to zoom in and out. So once we're ready, alam na po natin gamitin, we need to click the start tour. Ayan. So nandito na po tayo sa mismong page po, mismong place po ng system natin wherein ma-experience po natin yung 360 virtual tour po, wherein we can navigate around po by swiping left and right po, as well as zoom in and zoom out. So ano ba yung meron dito? So pinasimple lang namin yung system for diverse users, wherein hindi nila kailangan na aralin pa ng matagalan or mag-exert ng madaming effort para lang magamit yung system, since we will be catering diverse users po sa system na to. So we have here the button for the audio guidance for audio tour po, where they can mute it or unmute it kung gusto man nila or hindi. We have here also the exit tour kung gusto po nating mag-exit. And also we have here this icon. Ito po yung icon po for point of interest label pa, So we have here also as well the circular something here po na kung saan pag kinlik po natin pupunta po tayo dun sa next scene. Ayan, let's try it. Yun. So nandito na po tayo sa next scene po, kung saan po nakalocate po kanina yung circular na icon. So same thing pa rin po, we have here the label for point of interest po. So if we want to know anong meron dun sa spot na yun, click lang natin yung icon here, and then it will reveal kung saan nga ba about yung spot po na yun. Like this, we have here the Arivagan River, and also we can read po the infos po about sa spot na to, or ano nga ba yung kahulugan nito at bakit tayo merong ganito. Yun. So pamamagitan nun, mapapa-experience na po natin sa iba't ibang users, whether you are regular users or you are PWDs, or ikaw po ay may mobility problems, you can use this platform po to experience the different destination po that we have here in Santa Cruz. So once we're done with the tour, or okay na tayo sa pag-navigate within the whole destination po, we can exit the tour po by clicking the exit tour button here. So if we are satisfied or we are done with our interaction with the system po, we can submit a feedback here by typing our comments, or kung ano nga ba yung experience natin about the system. Is it good ba, or is there something that we need to improve with? And also we can leave a star here, and once we're done with that, we can submit it so that the admins can review po the feedbacks that we have. And if we know somewhere here in Santa Cruz po a hidden gem po, or something po na tinetreasure ni Santa Cruz na hindi pa talaga nagde-develop, we can suggest a spot here. So click lang natin tong suggest a spot, and it will direct us to the suggestion panel po. Ayan. So dito po we implemented this feature kasi we want to engage po the community sa system na meron tayo. Hindi lang yung capability po na experience yung tour, at the same time po maging inclusive po yung development ng tourism with the help of the community. So dito po we can type the destination name, also saan po yung address nung destination na yun, and why should this spot be featured. So we are also requiring to add the name of the one who suggested the destination, as well as the email para po ma-contact po for further information po yung nag-suggest po kapag ito po ay potential po na maging tourist destination po ng Santa Cruz. We also have here the recent submissions, and submission guidelines po upon filling the form. So yun po yung kayang gawin ni client. Napunta naman po tayo sa admin. So for easy access po, nilagay po natin dito yung admin button side na to, so that the admin can log in through this button to. So pag click po natin yung admin, tadirect po tayo nito sa login form, wherein dito po tayo authenticate po kung tayo ba isang admin talaga, or the user, or the one who have the privilege po to manage the system itself. So we have here the username, email, password. We can continue by logging in through our Google accounts po. So we will be implementing Google authentication po here. And once we're done po with typing the credentials natin, we can click the login po. And it will direct us to the dashboard, kung saan po makikita po natin yung statistics po, kung ilan yung total destinations na meron tayo sa system, monthly visitors, pending questions, approved suggestions, as well as the visit traffic by month, ilan po yung bumisita sa system natin or nag-try, also to generate a report. And so dito naman po yung virtual tours, where enlisted po yung mga available po natin na tourist destinations po. So we can add a new destination po if tayo po yung admin, tapos meron tayong bagong destination na ilalagay. Click lang natin yung add destination po. So ang kagandahan po sa system natin po is hindi po siya like pagdating po sa sustainability, pwede itong ito po yung isang magandang feature ng system wherein to the fact na magiging sustainable siya kasi yung admin or yung tourism office staff po, kapag napag-iwanan sila ng system na to or once we deployed it, they can manage the system without needing the assistant of the developers po, no? Ibig sabihin, sila po ay pwedeng mag-add po or mag-manage po ng virtual tours. Ayan. So we have here the preview panel po wherein makikita po natin yung 360 images po na ina-add natin. Ayan. So kung mag-add po tayo ng new destination, natin i-type yung destination name, short description about it, default description, the address, and upload po tayo ng thumbnail wherein kagaya po ng picture nakita natin sa homepage kanina, and select the category, whether it's a beach, ito ba ay sa beach, ito ba ay historical spots po, ano. And also we need to check the accessibility features po na meron po doon sa small destination. Is it wheelchair accessible? Meron ba tong parking area? Does it have comfort room? And so we have here the editing tools po, ano, wherein nakita natin kanina. So we need to drag lang po ito doon sa mismong preview screen po ng image natin. So we need to upload 360 image po first para mag-create po tayo ng unang scene bago natin lagyan po ng hotspots po, ng labels for it ng mga gamit po natin sa system. So i-drag lang po natin yung point of interest, tapos enter lang po natin yung point of interest name as well as the description about it. And also yung next scene po, lagay lang po natin doon, i-drag lang po natin sa part kung saan tayo mag-move, and then upload lang po tayo ng 360 image, and then also ililink lang po natin sa next scene yung part po na pinag-dragan natin itong next scene na label or icon. And also we can upload audio guide here. So if we have pre-recorded guides po wherein magagamit po natin about it or for virtual tour audio guidance, we can add it here. So once we're done with that, we can click the save destination po, and it will be available on the virtual tours na meron tayo dito sa system natin. And for the suggestions po, dito po makikita ni admin yung mga community suggestions po wherein nag-submit sila ng potential na tourist destination. The admin can approve or reject it upon reviewing the suggested tourist spots po, ano. And for the users feedback tab po, makikita po natin dito yung overall ratings as well as the recent feedbacks po na galing po sa ating customer. Naka-anonymous siya kasi yung system po natin for the client, hindi po natin na-require na mag-create ng account or login for user friendly po para maging easy access po, para lang ma-experience po nila yung 360 virtual tour po, ano. For the settings, meron po tayo dito ang account management po wherein we can change the name, update it, yung password, as well as the accounts po. Diba, may staff po tayo na nagmamanage din ng system. Tayo yung nakakataas, we can activate or deactivate your account kung hindi na ito privilege ka. Also the preferences po kung gusto natin naka light mode or dark mode, as well as the text size po kung larger or smaller. And for the archives po, dito natin makikita yung ating deleted tours as well as the rejected suggestions po. And lastly, the logout button. Ayan. So once we're done with that po, so yan po yung overall features po na meron tayong system na ito, wherein we have the Tourable, a 360 virtual tour platform for diverse users.
The technologies used in Tourable were carefully selected based on system requirements, performance, accessibility, and development practicality. Marzipano was chosen because it's especially designed for virtual tour system and provides efficient panoramic rendering. So PHP and MySQL were selected because of their reliability, flexibility, and ease of integration. So Bootstrap was used to simplify responsive design, implementation, and maintain consistent user interface elements. So overall, the technologies work together to provide a scalable, responsive, and user-friendly tourism platform.
Tourable is a browser-based virtual tour platform that allows users to explore tourist destinations through interactive 360-degree panoramic images. The platform includes destination information, immersive scene navigation, accessibility features, and audio narration to improve user engagement and inclusivity. Administrators can manage destinations, upload panoramic images, and updates to tourism content through the admin management panel. For the front-end technologies, we use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. HTML was used to structure the content of the platform, while CSS was used for styling and improving the visual appearance of the website. JavaScript handles interactivity such as navigation, scene transitions, and dynamic users' actions. We also use Bootstrap to make the platform responsive and compatible across different screen sizes, including desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. These technologies were chosen because they are lightweight, efficient, responsive, and suitable for creating modern web applications. And one of the main technologies used in our system is Marcipano. Marcipano is a lightweight open-source virtual tour viewer specifically designed for displaying 360 panoramic images on web browsers. This technology allows users to interactively explore destinations through dragging, zooming, and scene navigation. We selected Marcipano because it is optimized for performance, browser compatibility, and immersive virtual tour experiences. Additionally, it does not require users to install external applications, making the platform more accessible and convenient.
For the backend technologies, we use PHP and MySQL. PHP was used to manage server-side operations, including destination management, image uploading, content handling, and communication with the database. Meanwhile, MySQL serves as the database management system responsible for storing destination information, panoramic image references, descriptions, feedback, accessibility content, and administrative data. These technologies were selected because they are open source, reliable, easy to integrate, and practical for web-based systems. For the server environment, we use Apache through SAMP during the development and testing phase. The system requires a PHP runtime environment, MySQL database server, and standard web browser support. The platform is lightweight and does not require high-end hardware specification, making it practical for local deployment and future scalability. In conclusion, Tourable demonstrates how modern web technologies can be integrated to support accessible and immersive tourism experiences. Through the combination of Marcipano, PHP, MySQL, JavaScript, and the Bootstrap, the platform provides an efficient and interactive way of promoting tourist destinations in Santa Cruz Occidental, Mindoro. The system also highlights the potential of digital tourism solutions in improving accessibility, engagement, and local tourism promotion. That would be all. Thank you and God bless.